Xander Gamer, Xander Gamer, Xander Gamer, Xander Gamer, yeah. Hello everybody, today we're learning about magnets. Before we start this video, I want to get a big shout out to everyone. We got tons of viewers, right?
That's right, for your first video.
Okay, now let's start the video. Woo!
So magnets always have a north
And the south.
and a south.
All of them are the same. They just have a different color. Like, where's the other one? Sometimes magnets have a red and a silver, and sometimes magnets have a red and a blue.
Yeah, some magnets are all different colors, but they always have either a north or a south, right?
Yeah.
So when two norths come together, do they attract?
No, you can feel the.
It repels.
Yeah, and you can feel the strength of them. But when the unlike poles come together, they make a giant statue that goes in a pattern.
South, north,
south, north.
So the different poles attract,
But the
and the same poles
repel.
repel.
Dark
So when we have one magnet and it breaks into two magnets,
it won't break the magnetic field, but give you, say it together, two new magnets. One time Dad gave me a new magnet, but it broke. So
now you have
two magnets.
two magnets. So magnets are only attracted to certain kinds of metals, right?
Like this.
So we're gonna start testing out
the
different items to see what's attracted to magnets, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. You start it out.
Doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
Because it's so fluffy that it doesn't work. It's not like this.
Right. It's a fluffy. It's not made out of metal, right?
I wish I had one that's made out of metal.
Maybe
So
a robot
let's
one.
scan it.
All right, beep. That one goes out. Let's try the next item.
The next one is nickel.
Quarter. Nope.
Nope.
Nickel. Nope. Dime. Penny. Nope. None of those work because this isn't made out of iron, cobalt, or nickel. So that's why it doesn't attract.
So the third item will be a nail. Screw.
Whoa! All three of them went out.
And now a nail.
Whoa! That was quick. Screwdriver. And look, it's called a cobalt.
Oh my goodness. Now this.
A ring.
Nope.
Ring didn't work.
And now paper clip. Oh, look at this. And what is this?
That is staples. Whoa!
That was quick. And
Bottle opener.
oh, that was quick.
What about this piece of wood?
It's a happy face wood.
Oh, does it work?
No. Not even one attracts. It's facing north, but no attract.
Because it doesn't have iron, nickel, or cobalt. One more paper clip there. Woo! Alright, what about this? This itself is a refrigerator magnet. Let's see if it works. Alright, last but not least,
It never stops.
little fidget spinner.
It never stops. Well,
Does it work?
that's awesome.
Wow, it's still going.
It will never stop unless you touch it. But before we go, I need to show you this.
What is that?
Ooh, it changes colors.
It's supposed to do red and stuff.
Really?
What is it, Xander?
Oh, there it is.
It's a bottle! We're gonna...
Is it a potion bottle?
Yeah. Thanks for joining us today. Subscribe, like, and ring that bell. Comment down below what you want to see next. We'll do the lava lamp later if you're watching this.
Next one, lava lamp.
Also share this because if you don't, I'll steal all your marshmallows and turn them into s'mores. Xander Gamer, this is the end. Now, right now, bam, bam.